What's going on, guys? We're going skiing. Almost just forgot my SD card inside. I'm the last one to get into the car. I'm excited to run back in. And yeah, we got some snow pumping, clearly. And the boys.
You stole my peace of mind. I shiver when you talk to me. Oh yeah. You took care of me, oh so easily. Some adrenaline is gonna set me free. I know it's time to feel the rush, so just leave me alone. Right on my own, I want you to cry when I'm gone. This time I will fight it alone. I'll be alright when I'm gone. Oh yeah.
We've been having a very strange day. There's a lot of Jerry's out here, a lot of interesting characters yelling at us. I think we've been yelled at about 6 times.
Every lift so far.
So we were here for 3 minutes.
Everybody does it. Everyone forgot how to ski. They take a week off, weekend off. No one knows how to ski.
You gotta talk louder.
They all forget. Nobody knows how to ski anymore.
Only the members. Only the
You have to be a
members
member.
know how to ski.
Memories from a crazy dream. You took care of me in your ecstasy. I know it's time